Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the new HP OMEN 17T. This one comes with the Core i9 CPU and the NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics. HP OMEN 17T CB000. Let's just dive into the box. In the box here, you obviously have the computer. I'll get to that in a second. Here we have OMEN booklet or something, just some literature. And in here, part of power cable, we have this extremely massive power brick, 330 watts. This is in no way a joke. It's absolutely massive, and it comes, with the OMEN logo there. Looks very nice. Follows through with the design of the computer itself. But then you need a brick, well, not this massive, but you need a big brick to power the 2080. Now, so the computer itself, we have it here protected nicely in this. The joy of ripping plastic off new things. And this is the HP OMEN 17T 2019. The OMEN logo down here. It does look fantastic. So let's just open that up quickly and see what we have. This looks really nice. Bang and Wilson sound. Core i9 RTX GeForce graphics. Back here we can see two air vents. On the left side here we have the power in. We have the LAN port, HDMI, display port, two USB 3.0 ports, one Thunderbolt Type-C port, headphones and mic in. On the right side we have the SD card reader, we have another 3.0 port and yet another vent here. Around back we have huge vents and some legs here. Looks really nice. OMEN detail here, designed and engineered by HP. Nothing at the back. And in front, nothing too. So we'll quickly power this on to see if it has a charge. That's it. Oh, that looks really nice. Looks really nice. OMEN logo there. Putting up. I feel like white lights are actually more useful than red lights, but it's backlit and that's good.
Hi there, I'm Cortana and I'm here to help.
And I don't need you
a
for
little
that.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
I don't want.
Stay quiet. Just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Stay quiet, Cortana. Now let's do a quick comparison between the 2018 HP OMEN X 17 and the 2019 HP OMEN 17T. This is where almost also has OMEN written there nicely with the OMEN logo, and that's about it. However, here we have like 4 different lights, customizable. We have another one somewhere down here, lights, and it's nice if you like that, but I guess this is more subtle. This screams gamer more. This one we have a couple of ports here. They put a lot of the ports around back. We have the 2 huge vents also. Power input is on the right, which I prefer, and another USB and the card reader. I do like ports being placed at the back, to be honest. It's just easier for those wires to be away from you. This grabs no fingerprints inside. This does too, but I know it's more brushed inside or something. Full-size keyboard, mechanical. I don't think this is mechanical, but it does feel good. The travel is really good, but I can't compare to this one. OMEN logo there, and this has the RGB lighting keyboard. However, this one here just has the red lighting. They're both 17 inches, however, this one has less bezels. As you can see right here, really thin bezels. Looks nice. They're really heavy computers. However, this one has all the bezels in the world. This one has the i7 GTX 1080, while this one has the i9 and RTX 2080. So guys, that's been the video. It was really difficult trying to get 2 huge computers in frame. However, I hope I was able to show you guys what I wanted to. Either way, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.